Congratulations XRP holder to XRP will wake up and starting moving upward definitely. In my previous video, if you check out, so I told you my friends to the price will take a very take a huge jump my friend. The coin will moving upward now, so to be ready for a good time. And definitely everything is going to be true now, and you can see my friend this time they will do it now my friend. As you can see here, the price will starting increasing now. So the reason my friends, what is the reasons to this coin this time the price will starting increasing, everything I'm going to do my friends share with detail now. But please, for latest urgent updates video my friend, please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. XRP is one of the fastest cryptocurrency my viewers, my subscriber, and definitely holders are starting investing, so definitely the coin will moving upward. And remember to after the mid of month every coin will moving upward now. So my technical analysis is very simple my friend. You will need my friends to watch this to understand better now my friend. As you can see here my friend, this time this is the main point my friend, which is I found now. As you can see my friend, this time sometime my friend this coin will fails down like that. As you can see my friends, they will pull back. This that is called pull back my friend. As you can see here, if they were full back, one full back is here and the second pull back is here now my friend. So these two full back is clearly told you my friends to this coin will wake up now my friend. As you can see here, just in only the first full back is here, just in only, and my friend absolutely the second is here, the third is here my friend. And definitely my friend, as you can see here, these three clearly show to they will take a very huge jump, they will pumps up. So holders, please, if you want to get a profit, so definitely it's a good time, and I hope in upcoming time they will take a lot of pull pumps my friends. So therefore please be ready for a good time. I hope they will make you millionaire now. Thanks for watching XRP holder. My prediction is 100% going to be positive now. Please, what's your price prediction, what's your opinion my friend? Also share it in a comment box. This is very important for all of you now my friend, to share your experience, because my friend, somebody my friends, somebody is very experienced players now. So therefore if they told to this is good time my friends to invest, this is good time to buy, this is good my friend. So therefore absolutely we will not, and we will my friend research, and absolutely after point we will take a decision. So please share your experience now in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe this channel if you want to earn money, a lot of money my friend, in a crypto. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.